Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 best air fryers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these air fryers, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Cosyna air fryer. Air fryers are pretty interesting kitchen appliances that cook food by circulating extra hot air at high speed by using a convection mechanism. Essentially, they're mini convection ovens that bring them to the comfort of your home, and they're pretty precise and accurate at cooking great food, just by using a little oil which helps the environment in the long run. There are a lot of notable models in the market that provide interesting functionalities and features at different price points. However, if you're on a budget but want a device that'll deliver, you can't go wrong with a Cosyna air fryer. It's not just a fryer, as you can bake, grill and roast in it with as little as 1 tablespoon of oil. With this kitchen appliance you can cook tasty meals in no time, so without further ado, let's take a closer look at what else the Cosyna air fryer offers. As I mentioned, the Cosyna air fryer is a pretty versatile device that can take on most of the cooking tasks you'll have to undertake in the kitchen with extreme efficiency. For example, you can fry potatoes, then grill chicken for an easy and tasty meal. Just get creative with it. It's also worth stating that this appliance is very easy to use as it has an intuitive temperature control system. It works pretty well. Interestingly enough, this looks perfect as a kitchen appliance, rocking a pretty streamlined and refined design that's suitable for a wide range of kitchen designs, very aesthetically pleasing. It's also an extremely durable device, constructed from quality materials, and thanks to the manual operation dials instead of digital parts, this will last you for a long time. The capacity of this air fryer is 3.2 quarts and has 1500 watts of power. It uses about 70% less oil for the same amount of food. For example, if you'd use about 100 ml of oil for frying onions, you'll need to use only about 30 ml now, preserving the world because deep frying uses more oil and all of that oil must be disposed of and it becomes toxic after the first use. In addition to all this, in the included cookbook you'll find more than 50 recipes that you can try with full instructions. It also is a pretty small device and you'll cook your meals faster, allowing you to spend time with your family and loved ones. At number 4, it's the GoWISE GW22621. Getting the most bang for your buck is a pretty daunting task, as a lot of products claim that they're worth their price, but not many really deliver on their claim. However, the GoWISE GW22621 is not one of those. This air fryer will be worth every cent of its price with its great cooking capacity, enhanced safety features, rapid air circulation, 7 cooking programs, touchscreen for controls, ease of use, sturdy and quality build, adjustable temperature settings and some accessories to provide you maximum comfort and convenience. First of all, it's worth mentioning that this device comes in a very aesthetically pleasing design that'll fit right into most modern kitchen setups. It rocks a shiny, mostly black body with some metallic silver parts, with an egg shape and the touchscreen control panel in the middle. It has a futuristic and streamlined vibe to it that'll make it the centerpiece of your kitchen. On top of that, it rocks a very durable and sturdy build, as the plastic is very durable and there are no unintended spaces between the parts. However, some users may be concerned about the durability of the touchscreen display, but I can assure you that it's very reliable. The GoWISE GW22621 has a cooking capacity of 3.7 quarts, meaning that you can cook for an entire family in just one cycle. It has an 8 by 8 inches large non-stick Kelphalon coated cooking basket that you can fit a large amount of food in, and it's worth mentioning that it's very easy to clean. It has 7 programs for different foods, including chips, meat, chicken, steak, shrimp, fish, and a manual program, letting you choose your settings for fine-tuning. The temperature can also be adjusted from the LCD touchscreen display from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For cooking purposes, it needs just about a tablespoon of oil and you can cook every food that you want, frozen or raw. For baking, you don't need any additional oil, and even if you do add, the excess oil will go into the dripping tray in the bottom drawer and it delivers top-notch results every single time. With its great set of accessories that are dishwasher safe and provide you plenty of functionality, the GoWISE GW22621 is one of the best kitchen tools that you could add to your arsenal. At number 3, it's the Avalon AB-100B. If you're finding it pretty hard to choose an air fryer due to most of them sporting plenty of features, touchscreen displays and futuristic technologies, I have the perfect non-digital fryer for you, the Avalon AB-100B. This is a pretty capable fryer with a non-stick mesh basket, a heating element made from stainless steel, pretty quick air circulation technology, and tons of functionalities that'll make your job easier. It also has some great safety features to give you peace of mind, and it's very light and very portable. In terms of looks, this device looks pretty utilitarian and ready to do the work. It has the classic egg shape made out of heat-resistant plastic with a black and silver or red and black finish, so you can choose the colour that best fits your kitchen. The black version with the silver accents will fit into most kitchen designs, however it's not designed to be the centrepiece of your kitchen. For that purpose, the manufacturer has put a good and useful handle on top of it to transfer it from your countertop to the storage place, and it's also worth mentioning, for that matter, that it's pretty lightweight. It has a good set of accessories included in its package to make your job easier, including a multi-use rack, a non-stick baking dish, a mesh frying basket, and a great cookbook written by professional cooks exactly for this device. The Avalon AB-100B is equipped with a fan technology that removes fat and harmful ingredients from your food, and since a healthy lifestyle is rightly on the rise, it's one of the best and healthiest cooking methods in the market, especially for foods that normally need deep frying. It has a pretty fast preheat time, so you don't need to wait for a long time, like when using a convection oven, as it can cook a whole meal in just 30 minutes. The high-speed air circulation works wonders as it cooks your food throughout, without leaving a spot uncooked. The heat distribution is just excellent. Speaking about the safety features, it has a 30-minute timer that shuts off the device once your food is cooked. It also has a sound alert to warn you about it, so you can multitask without worrying that you'll damage the device or cause a fire. The adjustable temperature control is excellent as it ranges from 200 to 400 Fahrenheit. It's a little hard to find the optimal temperature, however after a few tries you'll get the hang of it. At number 2, it's the Cosori air fryer. The Cosori air fryer delivers a truly amazing cooking performance. It was pretty fast and it was excellently consistent at all times. It's one of the most popular kitchen appliances in Amazon, amassing a huge number of reviews on the site. It has a large capacity and a wide range of features that'll be extremely useful in the kitchen, so let's take a deeper look. First of all, I should mention the size of this air fryer, as it's a huge device. Thanks to its 5.8 quart cooking capacity, the whole thing measures 11.8 by 12.6 by 11.7 inches in total, so it'll take up some space on your countertop with its boxy shape. It has an all-black look with brushed metal and glossy finish. On the front you'll find the control panel, which has 11 buttons for the presets and the manual controls for your own recipes, all of which are very easy to use. As for the features of the Cosori air fryer, there's a long list of them, including the large 5.8 quart basket, non-stick basket which is also dishwasher safe, digital interface, preheating feature, 1700 watt power, shake or flip reminder, automatic shut-off feature after 30 minutes of finishing, keep the food warm feature, a cookbook with over 100 recipes, and a 2-year warranty. I was surprised with the cookbook as it had plenty of recipes that you could use in your day-to-day life with good instructions and basic ingredients. On top of that, it has a good set of accessories that will allow you to try different recipes and experiments. One of the best air fryers in the market, without any doubt. And at number 1, it's the Philips HD 9641/96. The very best air fryer in the market comes from Philips, and it's an HD 9641/96. We know that Philips always provides one of the best kitchen appliances, and this air fryer is no different. It uses 75% less fat, has the Turbo Star technology, a quick control dial, and a compact size that has a smaller capacity and much more. Unlike the aforementioned Cosori air fryer, the Philips HD 9641/96 is very compact and portable. It measures 13.6 by 13.6 by 14.1 inches and it weighs 15 pounds, so you can transfer it around your kitchen. That's mostly due to its basket volume that's just 2.75 quarts. It has an all-black design with a glossy finish with a nice control panel on the front and a nice handle for the cooking compartment. It looks good thanks to its unassuming design, and it'll fit right into most kitchen designs. It's all dishwasher safe, along with its accessories that include a baking pan, a rack for your skewers, and a grill pan. This device has 1425 watts of power and can achieve a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to the aforementioned TurboStar technology, it cooks your food in record time. As the main fan of the device forces the extra hot air through the chambers that are located on the side and the bottom of the fryer, and then the hot air goes up through the food for the best cooking experience. While it may not be suitable for larger families, the Philips HD9641/96 will be the best choice for those that want a quick and healthy meal. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.